What's going on, YouTube? Here with another video. This time we have some Jackery items. The date is December 11th, 2024. I purchased these items through Jackery's website from their Black Friday sale that they just had. Want to do a quick unboxing and show you what I've got. First, on the left, we have the Jackery Solar Saga 200, which is Jackery's solar panels to charge the solar generator. The Jackery here that's on the right is the solar generator, and I went with a Jackery 2000 plus solar generator. And the package on top is because I signed up for Jackery's account or Jackery's membership, whatever it is they got there. I got a free DC extender from the solar panels to connect to the generator. So let me go ahead and take these Jackeries out of the box and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is the Jackery items out of their shipping box. Wanted to show you the boxes here, what they look like. Again, here we got the Jackery solar generator. This one here is the 2000 or the Jackery Explorer 2000 plus. What was free from ordering from Jackery for the first time purchase on the Jackery website is they gave me a Jackery DC extension cable that allows me to use that extension cable to run from the Jackery Solar Saga 200 to the solar generator with a longer extension. I think the ones provided, I'm not too sure, but what it includes here is the cable to connect to your Jackery. But if you need something longer, or if you need to set your solar panels more, further away from the solar generator, then that's when the DC extension cable comes in handy. You can have the solar panels in direct sunlight, and if there's shade or somewhere else that you want to place the Jackery, you have more of an option to have these two objects or items separated so they're not all together if you need the space. Anyways, here is the Jackery solar generator, the Solar Saga 200. I got two of these here. Here's the back of it there. What's neat about this this deal, I guess, that I got on Black Friday is that I paid $18.99 for the Jackery Explorer 2000 plus, and it came along with two Solar Saga 200 solar panels. And then, as I mentioned, as an added bonus, I did get one DC extension cable. So just that alone is $40 there on their website, $39.99. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Price wise, I think it was a good price for me to go ahead and buy the Jackery. I do have other Jackery items. I have a Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro. I have a Jackery Explorer 300 and the Jackery 100 Plus for when I travel. So I am familiar with Jackery and the brands. I do also have some Solar Saga 100s, the Solar Saga 80. So I do have a couple solar panels as well. Never experienced the 200, so I'm excited to try those out. This video is just gonna be a quick unboxing, so let me get in and take out the items from the boxes. Okay, now here is everything that was in the boxes. We have both the Jackery solar panels, the Solar Saga 200s with an output of 200 watts per panel. What comes in the box with the 200 watt panels is both the solar panels, and then we have two sets of the connectors that connect solar panels to the Jackery Explorer 2000. Now, one thing I do know in this what's in this unboxing was I'm surprised these solar panels did not come with a bag, a carrying case or carrying bag. It's just the solar panels and the cables. It would have been nice for it to have a bag, which I've seen other videos for, but maybe this panel in particular just doesn't come with it. So the bag was not included in the box for either panel. It would have been nice to have that solar panel bag just so I can have the solar panels, safely stored away, and then have pockets to keep or have these solar panel wirings or adapters with them individually rather than finding some other method to carry them. But it would have been nice, but not a huge deal. The solar panels are IP68 water resistant, so they do have a little bit of water resistance to them. It does have the strap here, so when you lay it on the floor, on the ground, you can angle it at different various angles. So it's Velcro. And then to open it here, just pull. And then here are your solar arrays there. So there's that. The connector, it would be on the back side. Let me flip it around. So here's the back side. Here's a little bit of what the model is. So this is model JS200D. As you can see here, maximum system voltage 60 volts, 15 amps. So there's that there. The input here would be here on the side. We have like a little plastic array. Put that, you flip that over, and then that's where you connect your cables from the solar panel onto the Jackery Explorer 2000. Now moving to the actual Jackery Explorer 2000, here's what that looks like. It is pretty hefty. I am coming from the Jackery 1000 Pro. That was my biggest Jackery I've had. The Pro is significantly smaller, significantly lighter. The difference is the Pro uses lithium-ion batteries, and then the new update here for Jackery last couple of years is they've been moving to the lithium iron phosphate batteries. The advantages is that they last a lot longer, so they rated up to 4,000 cycles, so you can go from 0 to 100 and discharge them from 100 to 0 4,000 times. After the 4,000 time rating, they lose their battery capacity up to 70%. So the battery in the Jackery is still usable. It just would charge, it would last you the 70% battery capacity rather than the full 100. 4,000 cycles is a lot, way more than I would ever need, to be honest, but it's always nice to have. So for lithium ion batteries, they don't last as long. They last significantly less, maybe 500, 1,000, 1,500, cycles. But the advantages of the lithium ion batteries is that they are significantly lighter. It's a different battery technology, but it is significantly lighter than this one here, than the 2000 Plus. Also, it's easier, it's more portable. This is more of I would think maybe a home backup system situation. I do take my Jackery to go camping. If I were to go camping, I could probably take this, but it would definitely be a little bit more of a hassle. For the 1000 Pro, just grab the handle and up and go wherever I needed to go. So this would probably be my limit to take it as far as mobility goes, transportability. It is pretty heavy. I believe it's around 57 pounds, something like that. So yeah, I mean, but you get a lot of advantages too. You get, the battery technology. You get everything here from the 3,000 watt pure sine wave for the inverter. You got the RV plug there, your 4 AC outlets. You have your DC 12 volts, 10 amps. You have your 2 USB-Cs at 100 watts max per side. You also have your USB-A 18 watts max. I'm just a huge fan of Jackery. I've been using the products for years, and they never disappointed. They've never failed. They got super well done, well made inverters. So reliability, I recommend them 100%. Moving along here for the Explorer 2000 Plus, what came in the box was this bag here, and it has your car charger. So if you're on the road, you want to charge up your Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus, you have this to charge while you're driving. And then you also have your wall plug here. So you can go and connect to the wall, and it also comes with the user manual. I don't want to bore you too much with that. The other free gift was this here, like I mentioned earlier, is the DC extension cable. So you connect this side to the 200 watt solar panel, and you connect this side to the Jackery, the opposite. You connect this to the solar panel, you connect this to the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. If you need an extension where the sun might not be near the solar generator, you need to run a longer cable to where the sun's at, positioning the solar panels. That's where that comes in handy. Let me know if you guys want me to go in more depth of this Jackery or the solar panels, or run tests or anything like that. And I just thought I'd find it interesting having this unboxing, especially with the Black Friday deal. I imagine there's people that took advantage of this deal, or were thinking about it, or still thinking of purchasing this deal. That's what it comes with. Again, it comes with 2 solar panels, the Solar Saga 200. It comes with the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. And then if you buy from Jackery website, you get a free gift when you make an account, and you get a free DC extension cable along with it. So I think it definitely is a great deal. The solar panels do not come with a bag, so I think that's something to note. It doesn't come with a carrying case, so that way, you would have to figure out where you would put these cables. I can imagine, I don't know, I'm sure Jackery sells maybe another pouch separately, and you can store them there, but it's just another thing that you have to carry. So I would have liked for the solar panels to come with their carrying case, and you have the pouch and a carrying case to carry the solar cables. But there you are. It's just a quick look and unboxing of the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus, alongside with the 2 Solar Saga 200 watt solar panels and the DC extension cable. Hi, so I wanted to show you a little bit of the back of the unit of the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. I didn't show that initially, but definitely think it's good to show. What I like about Jackery and what they did here is they added a handle here to better carry this Explorer 2000 Plus, because it is significantly heavier, using the new battery chemistry of the lithium phosphate battery. So definitely it is going to be a little bit heavier. So having this handle here definitely helps in making it a little bit more mobile. The wheels and the wheels that it comes with is like a rubbery plastic texture. And what's nice also at the bottom, let me go ahead and lay this down. At the bottom of the Jackery, you have 4 rubberized feet, super grippy. So wherever you set your Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus, it is not going to go anywhere, as it will be super secured. In the back of the unit, we have your 2 doors here. The first door is your input AC expansion port. So the top here is your AC expansion port. At the bottom is your AC input reset. So the battery or the Jackery ever trips, you press that up and it should start up right away. The bottom here is the AC 120 volt 18 amps max. So that's your wall charger plug. And then there at the bottom is your DC input. That's where you connect your solar panels there. On the other side is the DC expansion port. You can see there. That's if you want to add a 2000 plus battery to the 2000 plus Explorer. So you can expand the batteries in increments of 2000. So obviously this 2000 plus has 2000 battery, and then you can add another 2000 up to 5 additional expansion batteries. So you can definitely make this solar generator as little or as big capacity as you would like. So yeah, it's super nice to kind of have that flexibility, that capability. If you live in an area where it's more rural, and you want to use solar generators, this is a great option. Although Jackery did just release a 5000 plus model, so it's a lot more capable. It's more of a home, more full of a home backup unit. So that's an option there as well from Jackery. So wanted to show you a little bit about that. The Jackery with the plus models also within the last couple years has released a Jackery app where you can control the EC inputs, RV input, your USB inputs, and your DC. It shows you the time of charge. It shows you what's charging. You can turn on the screen. You can do a lot of things from the app. I haven't downloaded it yet, but I've seen other videos. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I can definitely run a video, kind of show you the app and its functionality. But just a quick overview, quick look at the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus alongside with the Jackery Solar Saga 200. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please comment, like, and share the video. And if you want me to answer any questions or do further testing, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.